Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to use Google Drive. So to start off, if you hit New and Folder, you can make a folder. I'm going to make a random folder for my random stuff. Hit Create. So now you see it right there, and you just click on some random stuff that you want. You can just drag it in. I'm going to drag this stuff into there. And then if you want to go into another folder, you can just drag it there. Double click and it's right in with all your other folders. So this is a computers assignment, so I'm going to put it in my computers folder. So now it's right there in my computers folder. So another cool thing you can do with Google Drive is you can see who shared documents with you, and you can go to your recent things that you did. So this is all stuff that I did this year, and this is some stuff that I did last year actually. You can go to starred. I don't have anything starred, but you could if you wanted to. And then you can go to trash. This is all stuff that was in my trash. I must have deleted it a couple years ago or something. So, this is useful because if you're not organized, it'll just be a pain in the butt. And so you want to make as many folders as you can and make sure everything's organized. So if I wanted to make a document, a cool way that you could do it is go right into your folder, hit New, and you can make a document, sheet, slide, and then if you hit more, you can make a form, drawing, my maps, sites, and whatever that is. And then if you wanted to, like, let's just make a Google Slides. So you hit that, it pops right up. You can put in your title, and if you go back to your folder, refresh. Well, it's not in there right now, but it should be. Whatever, it should be in there. So, yeah.